Thank
now
you.
let's take our good news report with a Nigerian student showing off academic excellence in China. Nnabuike Chisom, a master's student at Zongan University of Economics and Law. He just gone viral after delivering a graduation speech in fluent Chinese. Let's take a look.
尊敬的各位领导老师，亲爱的同学们，大家好！我是来自尼日利亚的硕士毕业生齐云松，站在今天毕业典礼的舞台上，我的小心脏噗噗直跳。我相信我就是我，我相信明天，我相信伸手就能碰到天，有你在我身边。
Congratulations! I mean, this is the best thing that we have seen so far. in Chinese. Google it. But then Google it. ChatGPT will help you really quickly. Congratulations. Congratulations. We love African excellence. Nigerian excellence.